Grace from Paris Fashion Week. How was it? How was the experience joining her? Dati Subic lang, ngayon Paris na for 2 weeks.
It was so much fun for me because it's working. It's the first time I saw her in her element in Paris and that. And I appreciated all the hard work, the passion. I mean, she was never ending, in motion. She was forever in motion. She wakes up at 4 a.m. and goes all day long just fixing her outfits, her accessories, content, this and that. I mean, always creative. Made me so proud to watch her in action.
That must be a proud moment also, Heart, to have your mom there with you. Emotional support as well.
Sobra talaga. And whenever I'd feel down, I'd feel like, parang, is it too much? Kulang ba? Even if I'm like really burning myself, kulang ba? She's like, oh. Her words of wisdom are like from the books. Like, one day maybe I'll do a compilation of lahat ng mga kanyang words of wisdom.
We're glad to hear a little bit of that in Heart World. Anything you want to add?
I just didn't realize how much she puts into her craft. She just loves it and gives it more than her all. Made me so proud.
And she's very hard to please, huh?
Actually.
In my life, maybe trivial for some people na madami kami pinagdaanan. Pero siguro sa klase ng person na binigay sa akin ng Diyos, nakayanin ko naman siya kahit mababaw lang siya para sa ibang tao. Pero para sa akin, kapalit ng buhay ko, yung mga pinagdaanan ko. But if there's something about my heart and something that I'm proud of is that I didn't allow my heart to harden. But I've gained a lot of wisdom from everything, and I think I love myself even more for being able to stand up for myself, and I'm just very grateful. And alam ko kung bakit ako nandito sa mundo, and I would like to stay here in this world because I'm not done.